Hey, how's it going everyone? So today we're going to be completely disassembling my 350, but actually a couple weeks ago we took the heads off and here's how that went. So this is the first time the pistons are going to be seen in like 40 years, right?
How old is it? 78?
78.
How many years is that?
It's like 39 or 40, I think. I can't do math.
What year is this?
Huh?
Is it 17?
Huh?
It's like 41 years. Wait.
No, it's
Yeah.
not. That's not.
Because 17, that was 78. Oh yeah.
It's 40.
39.
39. Okay. Now that we've spent 5 minutes discussing how old this motor is, without actually doing any math, let's pull it off. Do these ones weigh 80 pounds like my new ones?
They're a little heavy.
Whoa, they're tiny.
Oh, they're dished. Look at that.
They are dished.
Here, bring it over here.
Less compression? That's kind of gay. Wow, dude. Pretty good, to be honest.
100,000 mile motor.
107,000. That's pretty good, man. So after we took the heads off, the motor looked pretty clean. However, it looked like one or two cylinders might have been letting a little bit of oil pass the rings. And overall, I figured after everything, because we were just gonna put all the new parts on that motor, but that motor has like 107,000 miles on it, like I said when we were taking the heads off. I figure I'm putting these nice new parts on an old, somewhat tired motor, so I feel like I might as well go through the whole entire motor and pretty much rebuild everything and do it all over again. So that's what this video is going to be about. So enjoy it. Here we go. Alright, so first we got to drain the oil, get all the old oil out, and then flip the motor over, take the oil pan off, and go from there. So we got to take the crank pulley off so we can get the timing cover off, so we can get the cam. Are we taking the cam out today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to disassemble the whole thing.
Alright, I'm cool with that. So yeah, we got to get the crank pulley off.
This block is actually in pretty good shape. It's clean. No oil buildup really at all. Everything looks good. There's no ridge on the cylinders at all. And we thought about just throwing everything in and calling it good, but we decided that we can get a little bit more compression with some flat tops. We can put some stronger pistons in it. We can put better rod bolts in it, better rings, do all of that good stuff. So we just as well do it all at once.
Yep, pretty much. There we go. Just needed some leverage. Crank pulley's off. I gotta get the harmonic balancer off.
Like the new style, it's got a timing tab on the top, but we're going to convert it to be on the side so it's a little bit easier to set the timing.
Come on.
I could run it all the way around. There you go. Oops.
I meant to do that.
It's heavy when it pops off the end. Well, not super heavy, but...
My balancer's off, so I'm gonna get the timing cover off. So usually when you're pulling lifters out, you want to keep them in order if you're going to reuse the cam. But because we have a different cam going in, we don't really care. We're just going to pull them out and get it done. So I'm going to lean the block over this way and drain the water out on this side too. Dad's taking out the oil pressure sender thing. Whoop. Yep, there it goes. Oh! It's out. Sorry, I've got a new one. Okie doke. I guess I kind of have, this is kind of a weird angle, huh?
Let me hold it because it's going to be heavy.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's only like 550 pounds. What's a short block weigh, like 400 pounds?
The whole motor's 550, so...
Yeah, so a short block's probably around 400, I bet.
What do you YouTubers think?
The heads are like 60 pounds a piece. And the intake's probably 30 or 40, right? Something like that. So I bet the short block's around 400 pounds. Just guessing. I don't know. That's what I would think. Alright. Okay. Put that cock back in. And then we can flip the motor and get the oil pan off. Too short to be worried about stuff like that. Ooh, juicy. Okay. Now since it's Harbor Freight, I gotta get a screwdriver to put in the engine stand because the pin doesn't work anymore.
How'd that go? There's a dog in the background. One of our neighbors out there.
That's another reason I would shop. Lighting all night long, as well as like sound from the outside.
Soon
enough. Whoa, Ikazoe! Alright, so we're going to take the oil pan off now, and we're going to figure out if this motor is a 2-bolt or a 4-bolt main. More than likely it's a 2-bolt, but my whole car was like special ordered. Had like all kinds of special stuff. 342 gears, had a 350 in it, which isn't usual. So who knows if it's special ordered and like decent motor. What? I guess we'll see. There we go. Let's do this. That's what would be nice to have a speed limit. Probably a good thing that I'm reshaping the oil pan when I do that.
Just get the corners because they've got this.
There we go. That's probably good.
It's a big moment.
Bum,
2 or 4, what do you think?
Leave your answers in the comments. Why are we not dislodging over here? It's a 2-bolt main.
It's a 2-bolt main.
Oh, yeah, dude. Ooh, look at that. That's grody.
That's pretty nasty.
Ooh. Ooh.
That's pretty bad.
That's nappy.
Right then.
Okay, cool. Very nice. That's how you do it, right?
Yep. See if there's much slop in there.
There's a lot of slop.
Oh, doggy.
That's loose.
Yeah,
Wow.
I would say. That's pretty ugly.
Alright.
Alright, cool. It's rebuild time.
Let's take it apart. Alright, so now what we're doing is marking them so we can put them back in the same position when we get the motor back together. Or when the machine shop does it, I guess. I'm going to take the oil pump off. See that? Magic. Hole punch. This can go in the trash.
I think we have to save the pickup though. I don't know if he gave us a new pickup.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think he did. But we did get a new oil pump. What?
Whee! See, none of that goo is up here, so I'm wondering if it was just in the tank, in the pan.
Just from sitting, you
just
think?
Getting cold and warm and cold and warm. Maybe some condensation formed.
It didn't look bad when I was running it. I checked the oil a whole bunch.
Maybe when we pulled the head, some of the coolant leaked into the oil pan.
Maybe so, and that just made the whole thing frothy and grody.
Yeah.
Here comes the camshaft. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
What's that?
I said I'm pulling my first camshaft. And it's stuck. There we go.
There it is.
There it is, 195 duration.
160 horsepower.
Woo! Yeah. Check it out, y'all. It's a roller motor. That was pretty hilarious.
That was a good dad joke.
That was a very good dad joke. Alrighty, day 2. Got all half the parts sitting on the cardboard. Today we're going to pull out the pistons and rods. And that's probably it. Flip it over. And there's still water in there. Nice. Okay. Oh, wow.
Okay. Not really much wear at all.
Okay, cool. So that's all right then?
Yeah, you can see the different layers of metal. That's the top layer, and then it's kind of worn into that second layer.
Okay.
Giving birth to a piston.
You see the head? I see rings. Got them. Very nice. Alright, so since there's 7 left, I'll just update you guys when they're all out. Okay. Check this out, guys. Right here the crank says GM78 for 1978. Right?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Is this kind of cool? Wow, look at that. It's the equivalent of 4.3. We still got 2 left. Alright, all the pistons are out. But I think we're going to leave the crankshaft for the machine shop, right?
Yes.
Okay. So pretty much motor's done. We can send it off. Very nice. So now we have to stamp all the rods to make sure they're all kept in order. You do that with a kit like this. It has numbers on it, and you kind of just smack them onto the metal surface and it leaves an imprint. It's kind of cool. So if these don't work because you got them from Harbor Freight, you can throw a piece of tape around them, label them that way. So we've got 1, 3, 5, 7, and then on the other side it's 2, 4, 6, and 8. All labeled. Alright, now that the motor's completely disassembled, it's pretty much going to get sent off to the machine shop, and they're essentially going to do the entire short block and get it back to us, and we'll get the heads on and everything else, and it should be good to go. That's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see future videos, and I will see you guys next time.